Hi friends. So this week on We Have No Chill was technically Get Ready With Me, and I feel bad because I came up with that and then I'm not even doing that because I filmed a Get Ready With Me video and I had like 30 minutes of footage and I didn't like how it was turning out, so I deleted 30 minutes of footage. So welcome to my outfit of the day video. Surprise! And also my hair is pink again. Okay, so for the outfit of the day, my shirt is just a black crop top and it came from Brandy Melville. And my shorts came from American Apparel via Alexa or Lex, whatever. And then my shoes came from Sears. They're just some white Converse. Forgot about my flannel. My flannel came from Goodwill. And then my necklace came from Santa. And I really like it because it's just a really long string. And then you can wear it as a bracelet or as a necklace or as an anklet or as a ring. It'd probably cover a whole entire finger. I'm just talking nonsense. Okay, so that is my outfit of the day. I'm currently dying in this flannel because it's like 100 degrees in LA right now. So, love you, bye.